This small video is to promote and make you aware that we are starting B.sc in Yogic Sciences in addition to the MSc in Yoga which you are already conducting. This B.sc in Yogic Sciences will be under the aegis of Central Sanskrit University at New Delhi, which used to be called Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthana, now elevated into a central university. It's a 3-year B.sc program in Yogic Sciences, and the eligibility criteria are the following. Male candidates who have recently passed their +2 class 12 secured a minimum of 60% aggregate in class 12 as well as in Madhyamik or class 10 examination from any recognized board or council. 2. Candidates should be from science stream in both class 10 level and class 12 level in +2, and must have passed in one science subject at least, like physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, computer science, etc. at the +2 examination. We are very sorry that we can't at the moment admit female candidates. It's not discriminatory. We will build up the necessary infrastructure for their accommodation, for their classrooms, etc. Hopefully, in the future, we might consider starting with the female candidates also. The highlights of the program are the following. The curriculum of the Central Sanskrit University will be followed, which are in brief the following. There will be scripture-based subjects like Sanskrit language, various Hatha Yoga texts, Patanjali's Yoga Sutra, and the Patanjala Darshana, the Yoga Darshana, Bhagavad Gita, etc. There will also be science subjects like human anatomy, physiology, naturopathy, psychology, yogic management of diseases, etc. There will be yoga practical classes in every semester, largely practical based, and yoga internship in every even semester. We charge very less fees compared to many of the yoga universities and yoga institutes in India. We are not per se a government institute hugely funded by the government of India, but we receive some backup funds from the government, but we're not very large. But still, out of love for yoga, and Swami Vivekananda, who promoted yoga hugely and who took this yoga to the West and taught Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, and Raja Yoga, and synthesis of the yogas, we are charging just 20,000 Indian rupees per semester, that is 6 months, which is maybe 1/4 of what some of the institutes could be charging, may be charging. We have hostel facilities for male students. Those who want to avail of the hostel facilities, it will be 4,500 per month. But hostel facilities usually are available for people who come from far away. The procedure for admission will be on the basis of an admission test followed by interview or counseling. The admission test will be 50 marks comprising questions on general aptitude, basic knowledge of English and the local language, Hindi or Bengali, elementary ideas of yoga. Online admission test can be arranged for outstation candidates. You please look up our website rkmvu.ac.in. And the important dates for this year, 18 July 2025 is the last date for receipt of applications. Date of written test and interview could be 20th July 2025. And we want to begin the classes in the auspicious birth Tithi Jayanti of one of the illustrious brother disciples, Guru Bhrata of Swami Vivekananda, namely Swami Ramakrishna, who himself was a pioneering yogi. So please do apply in large numbers, and we are very particular that we start soon And all of you will be benefited physically, mentally, spiritually, and financially, job-wise. Sanskrit and yoga, as you know, are being promoted hugely by the central government. There will be no dearth of jobs for those who sincerely study and practice yoga. And those of you who qualify will be promoted to our MSc program, which is a 2-year program, so that you can finish MSc also. Those of you who qualify in UGC's NET with Junior Research Fellowship JRF can also pursue PhD, so that you will be a student of this university for 3 B.sc, 2 MSc, and PhD for 5 years. 3 plus 2, 5 for 10 years. You can be a student of this great institution bearing the hallowed names of Ramakrishna and Vivekananda. Please do apply fast, quick, and soon. Thank you so much.